I fixed my old wig. I had this wig for 6 years now. I had it since 2014. For some reason, the closure has been retired. So today, I took the closure out, I removed the closure, and I'm ready to replace it with a new closure that I purchased from AliExpress. So all I'll do, I'll just sew the closure, the new closure and the tab, and then we're good to go. So guys, this is the new closure, and this one is the old one. It's actually retired. This closure is retired. So this is the new one. So you can see the difference. So let's get started. This is the new wig. It looks brand new, and all I have to do, I'll wash it, and then that's it. I'm good to go. So it's a free part. I can style it how I want to. And this is the old closure, the retired one, and this one is the newbie. I made this wig in 2014, and now I'm still using it, and thank you.